presenter for the APV 2024. So what is APV? APV means Auto Parts and Vehicles. This is a show, tapos together with B2B, Bumper to Bumper, they also have a car show within the same area. So APV is an exhibition of mga suppliers of parts and aftermarket parts for vehicles. Pero mukhang this is the last day. Mukhang nagliligpit na lahat. Look, I honestly thought it was the event was over the weekend. Hindi ko akalain na it's a weekday na by Friday sarado na. So let's look at the I'm here more for the car show actually than the parts. Pero let's just go around quickly here and then before we look at the car show part. So ito yung mga iba-ibang mga parts that are selling here from mostly I think are China suppliers. So doon sa kabila yung car show, these are the parts. These are starter motors, clutch. Then you have fog lights, yung mga LED. Different LED. More aftermarket na lights. Suspension. So, I was surprised. Isa sa mga supplier dito is yung pinagkunan ko sa US na yung engine support ng Lexus. Mga bearing yata ito. Guwapo nito.
Ay, Ma'am Cherry! Kumusta po? Oo nga po eh. Yes po. Wala pa nang
So this is the B2B side of the show. So ito yung mga car show part. You know what I like the most here? You'd be surprised. I like this owner. Very unassuming na owner, pero look at the engine. Boom, a turbocharged Honda. Another car that I like here. This is the other one that I like. This Isuzu pickup. Ito yung hindi ko na natuloy gawin doon sa pickup ko before. I really wanted to paint my wheels white. Ganda oh, white on white oh. Ang linis. Very basic lang oh, carbon hood lang. Pero I wouldn't have gone with the carbon hood. Tapos lagyan mo lang ng konting parang Baja Rally na decals. So that's it. Hindi ko lang sure kung meron ba akong dinabutan kasi late na ako dumating. And then they were already about to close. Tapos last day na pala. I did not check the schedule, my fault. But thank you guys for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.